Good day, I'm Tamara McHale and this is your JIS news for Thursday, December 3. The Bureau of Standards Jamaica BSJ will be spearheading an investigation to further identify non-compliant block makers while working with them to meet the required specifications. In a release, BSJ said it inspected over 200 block makers in the past 3 months and there was a non-compliance rate of 83%. This means that about 8 out of every 10 blocks were substandard as they did not comply with the Jamaican standard specifications for hollow concrete blocks. To help correct the problem, BSJ said it restructured its regulatory and engineering divisions to facilitate more inspections and implemented a more rigorous program to sample and test blocks. The Bureau said it would also work more closely with the Block Makers Association of Jamaica to sensitize its members on the required standards and encourage them to register their companies. Members of the public can visit bsj.org.jm to view the list of approved block makers. Developers are being encouraged to set more moderate profit margins so that housing solutions will be more affordable. Housing Minister Dr. Maurice Guy says interest rates have been trending downwards and developers should follow suit by reducing profit margins from between 30% and 40% to 20%.
And what we seek to do when I am making that particular suggestion is that we seek to bring the prices of houses down. If we can do that, more and more of our people in our country will be able to gain homes.
Dr. Guy was speaking at a ceremony where 25 beneficiaries from Southwest St. Catherine received keys to their new homes through the government Food for the Poor housing program. He also called for similar partnerships to help more individuals own their homes. The government Food for the Poor housing program is administered through the Jamaica Emergency Employment Program JIS. So far, there have been over 2,500 beneficiaries. The House of Representatives on Tuesday passed amendments to the Jury Act to improve the justice system. Attorney General Patrick Atkinson said while the bill did not solve all the problems in the justice system, it would help to reduce some of the challenges.
The list of jurors available has been increased. The array of jurors to try cases has been reduced. The issues that might affect jurors in their employment, we have sought to address.
Through the amended Jury Act, authorities will now use both the tax registration numbers and the voters list to select a pool of jurors. There will also be an array of 7 jurors for all jury trials, with the exception of treason or murder, where the death penalty may be imposed. In those cases, there will be 12 jurors. The stipend for jurors while serving in a trial will increase from $500 to $2,000 per day. Over 350 entertainment practitioners and more than 45 companies have been registered with the National Entertainment Registry. Tourism and Entertainment State Minister Damian Crawford says the registry, which was established in August last year, will be made available online in the next 2 months.
We have been paper-based for the last 3 years. And those persons who are registered have the benefit of getting the tools of trade, which you must be registered as an entertainment practitioner, but also other benefits of being found almost automatically by those who are seeking to book an artist.
The Entertainment Registry seeks to certify and register local entertainment practitioners and facilitates the movement of creative skills regionally and internationally. To register, call 920-4924. And finally, the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica (PCJ) has embarked on a public education campaign to encourage citizens to use less energy during the Christmas holidays. Persons are urged to use fewer lights at their homes, stores, and offices. PCJ is also requesting that Christmas lights be used for about 5 hours per day and persons use decorations made from reflective material to create more illumination. Individuals are also reminded to conserve on energy by plugging out all electronic items that are not in use and checking on baked dishes through the oven door rather than opening it. The buying of energy-efficient electronics is also encouraged. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Tamara McHale. Thanks for watching.